Now I'll be talking about a case of lichen planopilaris. A girl at the age of 26 came to us with a history of bald patch on the top of the head since the age of 6 years. So she said she started losing those hair at that young age and it progressed over a short span of time. She said that it is stable for last 20 years. The baldness is not progressing. On biopsy we found that she had lichen planopilaris but no active signs of inflammation were there. So we decided to do a test grafting first instead of going for a hair transplant in the complete region. We did a test graft of 200 grafts in the central part of that scar. So it was on the top of the head. We did 200 grafts and observed it for a period of 6 to 8 months. In the central part, since the vascularity is least, so we decided to do the test graft in that zone. So when those hair grew and we were confident of good graft uptake, then we went for a transplant in the whole region. We did 2200 scalp grafts in that patient and we covered the whole area with a suboptimal and a graded density. We found that the results were very good, and since this was a stable patient with no further progression, the graft uptake was very good. The hair started growing early and by 6 to 8 months we had achieved a good coverage, and by the 12 months those density of those transplanted hair also improved and the length also improved. It increased to such a length that she did not need to use any cap or a hairpiece to hide that baldness anymore. So the results were very gratifying for her as well as for us. We are following this patient for last 6 years since the date of surgery, and the results are still continuing. She is still enjoying those hair and she is also very happy and we are also very happy.